Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account on Amazon Flex. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then log into your email service that you used to sign up to your Amazon account in the first place. Make sure that you are logged into the exact account that you used to sign up, and then just go ahead and compose a new email. Now within your email, in the to section, just type in amazonflex-support@amazon.com. This is the official support address for Amazon Flex. Now in the subject, just type in account deactivation request. Then within the message body section, just explain that you don't want to use Amazon Flex and to just temporarily deactivate your account for now. After typing in your message, just go ahead and send the email, and now you can just wait for the response. Once they send you an email, you will be given the instructions to deactivate your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to deactivate your Amazon Flex account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.